Hello, my name is Gautam and this is my YouTube channel where we will talk about mathematics. And so today I'm starting this new series in which we discuss the R.D. Sharma of class 11th. And firstly, I am taking the chapter sequence and series. And this chapter concludes mainly three topics, which are arithmetic progression AP, then geometric progression GP, then arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So these are the three main topics of this chapter, and let's look at it one by one. So today I'm firstly starting with this first exercise, which is the sequence and series for the arithmetic progression, and there are 8 questions. So let's look at them individually. आइए शुरू करें. And firstly, okay, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से. सो आर डी शर्मा की एक्सरसाइज 19.1 मेरे पास है, फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है ये, और जो कि है एपी की अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन की. तो आज से हम लोग ये शुरू कर रहे हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो हमारे पास गिवन है. इफ द nth टर्म ऑफ द एपी इज गिवन बाय द फार्मूला. सो वी हैव द फार्मूला फॉर द nth टर्म. सो an is equals to, so an is given to be equals to n square minus n plus 1, and we need to write down the first 5 terms only. So first 5 terms. So this is the thing that we are looking for. So now when I have the formula for the n terms, we'll just simply put the value. So we'll find the a1 by putting n equals to 1. So when I put the n equals to 1, it becomes a1, and in the formula I'll put the 1 is 1 square minus 1 plus 1, and finally we'll get is 1 minus 1 plus 1. That would leave me with only 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is the value for the a1. अब इसी तरह से हम लोग a2 की वैल्यू भी निकालेंगे by putting the n equals to 2. So when we put n equals to 2, we'll get is 2 square minus 2 then plus 1. So that is 2 square is 4 minus 2 then plus 1, and that would be 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1, and answer is 3. So now we have the a2 also. Now let's just find the value of similarly a3 and a4 and a5, because we were actually looking for the 5 terms. So we needed first 5 terms, so I'm just simply going to write it like this. So I'll get is 9 minus 3 plus 1, that would give me 7. Then similarly right here I'll get the a4 values, which is 16 minus 4 plus 1, that would give me 13. Then similarly for the 5 also, so 25 minus 5 plus 1, that is 21. Okay, so these are the values that we have right now. और इस तरह से हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया. नाउ लेट्स लुक एट द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अब इसी तरह से हमारे पास दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, जिसके अंदर गिवन है an का दोबारा से फॉर्मूला. an इज इक्वल्स टू n क्यूब माइनस 6n स्क्वायर एंड प्लस 11n माइनस 6, एंड इसमें गिवन है कि n जो होगा हमारा बिलोंग करेगा नेचुरल नंबर सेट में से, और इसके अंदर हमें शो करना है कि हमारी जो फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स होगी सीक्वेंस की वो 0 होगी. फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स आर 0 एंड ऑल अदर टर्म्स आर पॉजिटिव. ऑल अदर्स आर पॉजिटिव. ओके, सो ये हमें प्रूव करना है. Simply what we'll do is we need to prove that first 3 terms are 0. So simply put as value of n equals to, so firstly n equals to 1. So when I put the value n equals to 1 in this part, I'll get is a1 equals to, so there is 1's cube minus 6 multiply 1 square plus 11 multiply 1 minus 6, and on solving it more I'll get is 1 minus 6 plus 11 then minus 6. So I get is 6 minus 6 is actually minus 12, then 1 and 12, 11 is 12, so which gives me 0. And similarly when we put n equals to 2, we'll get a2's value, which also going to be 0, and so similarly for the third one also, so a3 would be 0 too. Okay, so I'm not doing all the calculation right here because the video would get so big now. So this is the second question. Now let's look at the third question in the part, and if you don't have the questions right here with the R.D. Sharma, you can just take the screenshot of these questions Okay, so these are the questions that we are doing right now. So the first one was the first 5 terms, the second is the an's formula. Now the third one also asking for show that the sequence is an AP and find the common difference. So we need to find the common difference and write 3 more terms in each case. Okay, so I'll do the first one and I'll leave the others for you. So I'm doing these two, first and third, the other two would be for you. Okay, so let's just do the questions now. So question number third, first part. Now we have the AP series, which is 3, -1, -5 and -9 and so on. So firstly we need to prove that this is a AP, this becomes an AP, and secondly we need to find the common difference. Okay, so let's just look at the problem now. So this is the A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. So this series would be named as, this sequence would be named arithmetic progression when A2 minus A1 would be equals to A3 minus A2. Okay, so when these two terms are equal, then it will become AP. Okay, and similarly we can just write A4 minus A3 also, and these are actually equals to the common difference, so they should be equal. So let's just find the values. I'll get is -1 -3, this should be equals of -5 and minus of -1, and this should be equals to -9 then minus of -5. Okay, and this complete would be equals to do. Let's just find the value. So that would give me minus and minus is -4. Then from right here I have is -5 and +1, that is also -4. Now right here I have is -9 plus 5, that is also -4, and that is D and that is D. So all the values are same, so this is actually an AP. So we'll just yes, so we'll write yes, this is an AP, and D is equals to -4. Now similarly I'll just do the third part also, but I'll leave the other two for you. The third part has √2, then 3√2, then 5√2, and then 7√2. So this is A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. Now A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2, and this is also equals to A4 minus A3. Okay, so if these terms are equal, then this is an AP. So let's just find the value. So I'll have is 3√2 minus √2 and 5√2 minus 3√2, then 7√2 minus 5√2. So let's just see if you have the same answer. So 3 minus √2 would be 2√2, and similarly we'll get is 2√2 because 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, so and similarly right here also 2√2. So this is also true, yes. So this is also an AP. Now I'm leaving the other two for you. The second one is -1, then 1/4, then 3/2, and then 11/4, and so on. So please comment the answer now if you find this. So this is an AP or not. And now also look for the fourth one, which is 9753, and so on. Okay, so these are the questions. Now let's just do the 2 more questions, and this would be video for the over now. So the fourth question is the nth term of sequence. So again we have the formula for the nth term. An is equals to 2n plus 7, and we need to show that it is an AP, and also find, so we need to also find the 7th term. Okay, to show it is an AP, it is AP, and next part is find A7, 7th term. Okay, so simply just find the value of A1. So we'll have is 2 multiply 1 plus 7, that would give me 2 ones are 2, then plus 7 I'll have is 9. And now let's find the value of A2. So 2 multiply 2 plus 7, and we'll get is 2 to the 4, 4 plus 7 is 11. And let's just find one more, and A3. So 2 multiply 3 plus 7, and that would give me 2 3 is 6, 6 and 7, 6 plus 7, that would give me okay, so 6 plus 7, that would give me 13. Okay, so now these are the terms. So let's just see if it gives the same answer or not. So how can we check this is an AP or not? So but we simply have to find their difference. So 9 and 3 has a difference of 11 minus 9. So that is equals to 2. And similarly 13 minus 11 is also equals to 2. Also this is an AP. Yes, this is an AP. Now let's find the value of A7. So A7 would be, for the same formula, we'll have is 2 multiply 7 then plus 7, and that would give me 7 2s are 14, then 14 plus 7. So that is equals to 20. And right here what will have is 21. Okay, so these are the questions. This was the question number 4. Now question number 5 is also simple, but I'm leaving it for you now. So we have, for the question number 5 is given the formula for the an is equals to 2n square plus n plus 1, and we need to show it is not an AP. It is not an AP. Okay, so this is a homework for you. So I hope you have understood the video properly, and if you still find any doubt in the video, you can comment down. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe the channel for more.